Hi guys. Sorry for the 2 minutes late. இன்னத்துல கீழே போடுறேன். Avyukt, what are you doing in school, Avyukt? Have they finished the causation correlation?
No,
No, then what are you doing in school?
we're still continuing on linear regression.
Oh, what sort of work? Meaning, how long? Right? It's been a week, right? I just want to know what are they
Yeah,
what are
but
they?
they said that they'll be covering over linear regression, so then in the future, like in algebra 2, it's gonna be easier for us.
No.
That was
Linear regression is a part of algebra 1 as well, for that matter.
yeah,
But
but
it
the
go ahead.
yeah, but the advantage is that they said they're not going to be doing a test on this.
On linear regression?
Yeah, on linear regression, they're not going to be doing a test on this.
But okay. Meaning linear regression means finding correlation coefficient. Huh?
Yeah,
Oh, but
mainly basically
uh,
on that. Yeah.
that's a benchmark in algebra 1, right? Okay, I don't know. Anyway, Prince, what are you doing in school? What are you doing in school, Prince? Prince, what are you doing in school? Are you able to hear
Uh,
me?
yeah. We're doing I forgot what it's called. Inequalities, I think.
You're
Like
doing
plotting inequalities, graphing inequalities.
graphing inequalities. Okay. Any questions on the homework, guys? I just added some more on the correlation causation, meaning we did not discuss both, right? So I did add something to your last week assignment and already assigned that as homework for this week. Okay, so page number 441. Did you finish? Did you have any questions on 37 to 41 and 50? Did you all have any questions there? 450? No, yes, there are two answers, right?
No.
Okay. Okay. But we didn't do the correlation coefficient causation well. Okay, that's okay. Okay. Yeah, let's see. Jay, what are you doing in school? Jay, is Jay here? Okay, Johan, I cannot
We're
ask you.
getting introductory to transformations.
Oh, transform. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's move on. We'll continue the graphing on linear. We'll continue the graphing on lines and then look at inequalities as well. But before I do that, right, I really want to cover a little bit more on correlation causation, for which I already posted the homework for you guys. So let me go ahead and see what is in that assignment. Based on that, we'll proceed.
Next week we don't have class, right?
Yeah, 1 week of break, ma. Make sense?
Yeah, thank you.
Um, okay. If you're okay, this is just a review of what we already learned. Okay, nothing new. But then some of you might not have been present as we do reviews. Whoever was not there when we had discussed this earlier will be able to catch up. That's the intent. Okay. So let's see here. Yeah, this one is okay. 1 second, guys. Okay, that's good. Okay. Now let's go ahead and share the notes. Do you guys see it? Okay. Now let me go ahead, give you this problem. Would you be able to tell the answer for this one? Meaning, don't call it out, but tell me if you don't know. Do you know how to find whether it's a function or not? Johan, do you remember how to find out whether it's a function or not?
I think I kind of forgot.
You kind of forgot.
Oh,
Okay.
wait. I think if the same variable, like x variable has another y variable, that means it's not a function.
Exactly. So, okay, Johan got it, but Nidhi, do you remember? You all can answer in chat. Nidhi, can you elaborate on what he said?
I remember now because basically there's 2 points that are like the same that like fail the line test, so it won't pass it.
Good job. So you can draw this line in the graph and then see whether it maps, it passes the vertical line test. That's also a great idea. Go ahead. So please send the answer. Yep. Avyuk, that's right. Yes, Prince. That's right. Oh, good job, Samanvi. So what do you say about this function? Oh, good, Prisha. Akshita, Goodma. Rushi, good. Oh, good, guys. You all remember nicely. Johan, good. Lakshmita, good. Jay, can I get your answer?
Here.
Okay. Now, how much two quantities are connected, are related? That tells what is the correlation between them, correct? Last week, did we discuss positive correlation, negative correlation, weak positive correlation, weak negative, strong positive, strong negative? Did we discuss that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I want to continue on that. Not fine. Ashrita, correct, ma. Jay, correct. Okay, let's move on. I hope you all understood why as well, correct? So let's see. How about this? What type? Oh my God, I have this problem of you not seeing what I share on the board. I'm going to reshare. Oh, I don't know why. I'm going to reshare everything. Hold on. Stop share. Stop share. Reshare. Because I'm seeing that you're not able to see whatever I am sharing. I don't know why. Let's see. Share. Ah, that's much better. Okay. One second. Not able to paste. Hmm. We are good now. Okay. Identify the correlation type. What type of correlation exists here? If you don't know, I'm here to help. I'll help once I know that you don't know. You can say whether it's that's true, but correlation means the way they are connected. Remember, we studied if the graph x increases, y increases. So the line will be how? Let's say here is the value. X increases, y as well increases. So here will be another value. So what type of correlation is this, guys?
Positive?
What type? Yeah, positive. This will have a positive slope as well. But X increases, Y decreases. Let's say water. Water level was 10 liters, there's a leak. Okay. When the time was 1 minute, it just reduced, water level reduced. What type of correlation is this? Negative. Correlation values, right? Correlation means the relation, right? The relation between the two quantities X and Y is measured using correlation coefficient. This ranges from -1 to 1. Middle is 0. 0 means no correlation. 1 means positive strong correlation. -1 means strong negative correlation. Suppose if it's less than 0.5, less than -0.5, weak, negative. Makes sense, guys? Suppose if it's less than 0.5, it comes in this zone. Weak, positive correlation. Any questions, guys? Based on the number that is in there for correlation coefficient, you will categorize it. Here you cannot predict the number because you're just given as height increases, wingspan increases. So, Nidhi, we can't say it's weak, right? We don't know the values.
I
We
thought you
can
were
just,
asking something else. I thought you were asking something else.
but did you understand here?
Yeah.
Meaning you can just say positive. That's all you can do. Correlation, you have to be aware of the spelling, Ashrita. Positive is correct, Rushita. Prisha, correct, ma. Jay, did you understand how to relate? Samanvi, I just want you to note the spelling for
Yeah.
correlation as well. Okay, now let's go ahead and predict more types of correlation. Okay, that is quite important, guys, because let's see. Hmm. Yeah. I'm going to, okay, let's do more of correlation, then we'll see. How about this? There are two questions I'm going to give you. You're going to work on both. Let me see. This is just a review of what we already learned. Nothing big. Go ahead, guys. Identify the correlation type. Let me put numbers. You can put down numbers when you answer as well. Can we try, guys?
Do you want strong and weak too?
Go ahead, Ma. Please send it, Ma, because everybody is working, right?
Yeah, I'm asking, do you want the strong or weak too?
Um, on one you cannot say that. One you can just say whether it's positive or negative or what.
Oh,
Two
okay.
you can say. Two you can definitely say. Meaning, I really want you to find the correlation coefficient. Let's see. I really want the correlation coefficient here. How do you find it? You can use your graphing calculator. TA84. Find the correlation coefficient R.
Wait, Miss Priya, I'm not sure how to do number one. Like, what are we trying to identify? Because we don't have numbers.
You don't have numbers, but see the quantities. What is the relationship between them? Positive, negative, no correlation. So many things are there, right?
So we just like pick one and then.
Yeah, you pick one and then say.
Okay.
First one is an easy one, meaning easy one means you're overthinking. Akshita, can you explain why did you say number of pets owned versus student locker number has positive correlation?
Oh, sorry, I thought the scatter plot represented that.
Scatter plot, as I marked, it's a different question, right? Johan, why do you think it's positive correlation on the first line? Ashita, that's better. Your answer is much better now. Correct. Johan, why did you think? See, they're comparing number of pets owned versus student locker number. Are the two quantities correlated?
Not
There's
really.
no correlation at
Oh.
all. Yeah, so there is no correlation. And then coming to the scatter plot of the data, then describe the correlation. Do you know how to type this?
In
In TI-84, go to stat button, start typing this. First of all, before even you start, what you should see, go to mode diagnostics on, because otherwise it will not give you the correlation coefficient. Go to mode, have your diagnostics on. So important, guys.
I don't understand. I click stat.
Last week, were you in class, ma? No?
Yeah,
Did
but
you?
you didn't explain this part.
Oh, okay, ma. Definitely I'll explain. Okay. So
Um,
let's go ahead. Can one of you, okay, can one of you note the values down? When I go here, I cannot have the screen. One of you note the values down. Please dictate when I go there. Did you note it down? I'm going to go ahead and yeah, you noted down. Okay. So let me go ahead to ti84calc.com so that you all can see if you have a physical calculator, that's best to use that.
1 second,
So much.
actually, mine's running out of charging.
Oh, no problem. First of all, I'll go to mode. Is my diagnostics on? That's the first thing I want to check. Is my diagnostics on? Where is it? Yeah, see, start diagnostics off. Press on. Now go back, start. Where is that? Start, edit. Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, ma? I need to start typing there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
yeah.
And 50, 60? Can one of you tell me?
Wait, Miss Priya, can you tell me how you got the chart again? Because I didn't see.
I went to start button, ma. Start edit.
Oh,
Did you go? Go. I'll help you. Did you go?
there, I got it. I got it.
Okay. Please, what is the second column, ma?
It's 50,
Uh-huh.
60, 68,
Uh-huh.
78,
Uh-huh.
and 90.
90. That's it. Now,
Auntie,
what should
how
I
did
do?
you get it? I just came to get, but I went to get the charger.
Please, you have to be here. It's so
Okay.
hard. Okay. Now, otherwise, you can do it online. Start, edit, type in your values.
Okay.
Start, edit, type in your values.
Okay.
Yeah.
got
Now, did you type in your values? Are all of you with me? Please use your calculator and do. Otherwise, you're never going to know. It will look easy, but when you put your work at it, meaning when you start doing it, it becomes hard. Now, after this, how to find out your correlation coefficient? You have two sets of values, but you have to find the relation, whether it's positive, negative, or weak positive, weak negative, strong, strong negative, all that you need to know, right? When I look at it, yes, X value increases, Y value increases. So it has to be a positive correlation. I just don't know whether it is weak or strong. So what do I do? Let me see. What should I calculate? Correlation coefficient, right? Yeah, I have to go to regression. So what will I do? Second, no, wait, math. Is there a math button? Yes.
Miss
Math.
Priya,
No. Yeah,
I
go ahead.
thought we have to first go to stat.
You have to go to stat. Yes, start
Yeah,
calc.
then go
Correct.
to calc. Yeah.
Correct. Sometimes I forget. So there's a linear regression. See, in the stat itself, when you go to calc, there is a linear regression. Go there. Your X list is in L1 column. Your Y list is in L2 column, right? Just keep going. You don't need to store the equation. Okay, you don't need to store and all. They're asking whether you want to store it. If you really want to store it in a variable, you can store it in vars. Vars, y vars, you can store it as a function name y1. That's all. Okay. You don't have to enter anything there. Just calculate. See, you can copy from here. So the line equation for the set of two column values that you're given, right? The line equation y will be equal to 49.6x plus 9.8. Wait. A plus bx. A plus bx. This is your equation. R is 0.997. What type of correlation is this, guys? What type of
Strong positive
strong
correlation.
positive? Yes. Any questions? Any further questions? So you know how to find it, right? Yeah, Avyukt. Go ahead, Avyukt.
When I was doing this last time, I found a easier way, but how did you do this with getting the R?
I just went to stat. See,
Okay.
I just went to stat. Go to calc, linear regression. Linear regression. So yes, my x values are in L1, y values are in L2. Calculate. That's it. Make
Oh,
sense?
yeah, but whenever I try to calculate, it shows only the A and B. It doesn't show
That's
R.
what I have been telling. Did you go to mode, set the diagnostics on? If you don't do that, R won't appear. So you'll have to go to mode. Here is the button mode, right? In that, come down, see stat diagnostics. It will be off for you. You have to make it on. Make sense of you?
Yeah, makes sense.
Wait, Miss Priya,
No,
which linear
do.
regression should I click?
See, guy. Okay. Good question, Jay. See, if you choose fourth, right, the equation is of the format ax plus b. If you choose 8, the equation of the format a plus bx. So depending on that, you should write down properly. That's all. See, if you press a plus bx, right, what happens here? See, this is a plus bx. A plus bx means a value is 49.6. You have to plug it in properly. You got it?
Yeah.
So if you go there, right, stat, calc, linear regression, a plus bx, right? In that case, see what happens. Calculate. A plus bx means you have to plug it in properly. That's all. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. All of you understood how to calculate correlation coefficient?
I still don't know how to do the what's it called? To get on the table.
To get on the table, okay.
Yeah.
Understand everything but the interlinear regression.
Sorry, someone, we didn't get you.
I understood how to get everywhere but the linear regression part.
Okay, just hold on. Let me finish, Johan. Johan, you didn't know how to type the table values, right, Johan?
Yeah.
Stat, edit.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, Samanvi, for you to calculate linear regression, after all this, right, after typing in your values, you have to go to again stat, calc. You're going to go to calc, then linear regression. Can go to linear regression. That's it. There you have. Enter, calculate. Enter. You got it?
I don't see the linear regression. It says value 0 and other stuff like that. Did I
What
click
did
the wrong? I clicked calc and it said value 0 and something else.
Did you do stat calc?
Yeah, I did stat. Then I clicked it. You have to click second and then click the calc button, right?
No, I didn't say that. You have
And
to
then
press on stat button. Press
yeah,
stat. What
I
do you
did.
see on the screen?
I see calc test and then edit. And then
Go to calc. Use the arrow, go to calc.
wait.
Did you get it, ma? Enter.
I got it.
Got it? Yeah. That calc is different. The blue color calc is different. It's for a different
Okay.
purpose. Okay, you will use it in algebra too. Make sense? Initially, you're only getting used to the stat button, which is an easy one that you're doing. Stat, edit, calc. See, I don't know what is in tests. I don't know what this does. I think this is used in, yes, I know. Oh, I see. See, this is used in statistics. Okay. You can use more of this in your algebra too as well. For now, it is enough. You just do linear regression. Okay. Any question, guys? Okay, so let's move on now. Next, I'm going to make you do, you're all going to answer by yourself, okay? Not me intervening into this, okay? Let's see. Okay. I want to really explain correlation causation as well. Okay, but before that, let's see. Okay. Find the line of best fit. Line of best fit means you're going to give the line equation. That's all. Okay, there are two questions that are asked. Let me see how you handle it. There's a set of x and y values given. They're asking you to give me the line of best fit. What is the line of best fit? The equation of the line that you get it in regression is the line of best fit. Okay, the line that fits in most of the points given here is that equation. Estimate reaction time. They're asking you to find out the y value if the x value is 6.5. Can you do that? You can plug into that equation and tell me. Guard it and tell me the x value given the y value equal to 6. Given the x value equal to 6.5, what is the y value? You have to plug it into the equation and tell me. So first, what are the things you're going to send it to me for this one? You're going to send the equation. That is the line of best fit. That's the equation of the line of best fit. That you're going to send. And then you're going to find out reaction time. Reaction time for 6.5 hours. Come on, guys. I am thinking you're going to send me the answers. If you're stuck, you need to raise and say, hey, auntie, I did not get anything. So we'll go over it together.
After like you plug in the numbers and you hit calculate, you hit 4, right? Not 5.
You can get 4. 5 is what, ma? What is given as
5
5?
is, well, it's linear regression, right? That's what it's called. AX plus B.
Yeah, then 4 is what?
4, that's what 4 is.
5?
Yeah, I thought you said 5 earlier, so
No, no. Whatever is linear regression, you're going to press that.
thank you.
Mm. If you got it, great. Good job, Kavin. Kavin, you use your own calculator, huh?
Yeah, I am.
Good job, Ashruta. What was that? The one that your mom bought, huh?
It's the T184. The one
So
you
you bought it?
yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay, interesting. But is it, meaning, please start using it, okay? Then only you will see the advantage of it in 2, 3 years. Make sense?
Okay. Yeah.
For anything, use the calculator that you have bought. So that way, in SAT, you will not be cramming, hey, which button to press, where to go. All this should not come in SAT exam or PSAT. That's why right from this now itself, you start using your calculator. Come what may, let everybody use whatever they want. You don't get detoured with a Desmos. I'll use Desmos calculator, you might think. That is all going to slow down your speed, is my honest thought. Correct, Prince. Akshita, is the equation correct? 20, is it minus 20x ma? Avyukt, correct. Did you copy the equation correctly? Samanvi, how did you get that?
It looks like the plot was decreasing, so
So what should be the change? Yes, please, Kavin, go. Arush,
I'll
correct.
check again.
Samanvi, something is wrong. Can I help you? Definitely something is wrong.
Okay.
Did you, I don't think you typed the correct values. Did you type all the values?
I didn't understand.
What you didn't understand?
But I don't
Did
know
you,
how to find.
huh?
I don't know how to find a best fit line and stuff. I never learned it.
We just now did, right? Line of best fit. You go ahead, type it L1, L2 values, and then find the equation of the line A plus BX.
Okay.
Can you do that, ma?
Yeah.
Yeah, do that and send me the equation.
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
1 second, Jay. I'm checking. Hold on. What the answer says, I want to make sure. Yeah, that's correct. Correct, guys. All whoever answered is correct, but for someone we need to work. Correct, Marushita. Jay, why did you say 40 minus 20x, Amma?
Because that's what I got for the equation.
Is it plus 20 or minus 20? Oh, yeah, minus 20 is correct. Minus 20x plus 430, Lakshmita. I think you missed one of the values.
Yeah.
Minus 20x plus 430. Minus 20x plus 430 should be your equation. Minus 20x plus 430 should be your equation. Reaction time for 6.5 hours of hours is 300 milliseconds. Make sense? So what type of correlation is this? What type of correlation is this, ma?
It's a negative correlation.
Good job. Negative. What is the correlation value?
It's a strong negative correlation.
So what is the correlation value of you?
-1.
Oh, -1. Okay, good. It's a strong negative. Good job, guys. Shall we move on? I am thinking you're all good, right?
Miss
Okay.
Priya, I still need help on the calculator.
What is that you need help with?
So it's not letting me type the values for some reason. Whenever I type it, it doesn't let me go on to the next value.
Enter.
I tried that, but it didn't work.
Let's see. How do I go there to 384 calc? Okay, here we go. What is that you want? Stat, edit, enter. Here you can't go, you're saying.
Yeah, after that, when I started typing, I did it, but it's not letting me like
Okay, go to TI84 Calc, share your screen. Let's see. TI84calc.com, share your screen quickly. Let's see what is the problem.
Wait, can I try one more time and then can I tell
Yeah,
you?
sure. If you're not getting, you're going to go to TI84 Calc, immediately share your screen. I'll help you. You need to know all these. We are waiting. So you need to be aware of it and quickly do.
Miss Priya, can you see my screen?
Yes. Go ahead. I stop screen sharing. Go ahead.
So
Mine
when
is
Yeah, anybody can help him. Anybody can help him. That's what we all are for.
my like screen is glitching. Can I rejoin?
Yes.
Okay,
Go ahead and type. Wait. No comma. 4 and what is the value that you have, ma, to type, Johan?
Oh, it was 3 and 350, right?
Yeah, 4. Put 4, enter.
That's it?
That's it. And then type all the x values. No. See, what are you typing? L1 of 2. L1 column, second value they're asking.
Okay.
You got it? Yes. Kavin, thanks for the message. Can we move on, guys? Are we good with this? Okay. Now, there's something called causation. I really want you guys to understand the session better. Hold on. I just need a little bit of time. Hold on. Okay. We dealt with correlation, right? Correlation basically means, are they even related? Okay. But there's something called causation. Okay. Let's see. What is causation? Causation means one quantity causes the other. Okay. Let's say you hit your finger with a hammer, so your finger swells, right? In this case, we say, oh, my finger swelled, and that was caused by the hammer hitting it. So there is causation there in this scenario, right? When one becomes the cause of the other, it's causation. But you know what? Two quantities can just be related. They don't have to be there. There doesn't have to be any causation between them. One might not be, see, x might not be the cause for y might not be the cause for x, but they can just be related. You see what I mean? I'll give you examples. Correlation means you're going to measure the relationship between the two things. Okay. Let's see. How do we tell that one apart from one, meaning one from the other? Let's see this. Okay. The temperature outside today was very cold. How about this? Let's see.
Are you sharing your screen?
Not yet. I want to. Can I share a PPT? I'll share a PPT with you guys. You can just go over it. Okay. So causation, correlation. We want to tell that apart. This one we already covered. Do you see correlation coefficient C? The value ranges from -1 to 1. The negative sign says it is strong negative. When it is towards -1, it's strong negative, and it's towards +1, it's strong positive. That we already discussed. Okay. This one we discussed. And if it is 0, there is no correlation we have discussed. Okay. There's nothing on that. Okay. This is what we have already discussed. Positive correlation, negative correlation, no correlation. Okay. We don't need all this. Okay. Yeah, I have told you how to find the R value in a calculator. Make sense? Okay. And then -0.4 is definitely weak negative. +0.9 is strong positive. minus 0.87 is strong negative. So when you look at the graph, right, sometimes they may not give the line at all, guys. They may not give the line. They may just give the dots. When you look at it in here, yes, it forms a straight line, but it is all spread over, right? So it is weak positive. They might not give the line at all, right? When you see here, yes, all of it are aligned to a large extent. So it is strong negative. Makes sense? Here everything is split apart. So there is no correlation. Makes sense, guys? This and all we discussed already. Okay, so the only thing we have not discussed is causation. Let's say, how about this? Let's say you're exercising 1 hour today, 1 hour this month, okay? Next month, you increase your exercising routine to 2 hours. The next month, you're increasing your exercise routine to 3 hours. So the first month, let's say, let me put a point, let me put a table for it, okay? Exercising is quantity 1. I don't know why I'm writing with this. Okay, exercising is quantity X. Y is calories burnt. Okay, if I put a relation between them, the first month I number of calories I burnt was 20. Every day 1 hour I'm doing exercise. Every day 2 hours I'm doing exercise. I started burning 40 calories. Every day, third month, every day 3 hours I'm doing exercise. I burnt out 60 calories. That 60 calories per day. 60 calorie. Okay, so I burned 60 calories. Let's say like that. This is the case, right? You see here the burning of calories, the Y happened because you did this. So X was the cause for Y. Here there is a causation. Am I making sense? There is a correlation, there is a causation. Make sense, guys? There is a relationship between them, positive correlation, right? It increases, it increases. There's also causation, means Y is because of X, is caused by X. So then we say there is causation here. Okay. Now, how about, let's say, okay, how about this? The number of firemen fighting a fire and the size of the fire. Number of firemen fighting a fire and the size of the fire. What do you think about it? Let's say the size of the fire was, let's say, big, small, medium. Okay, number of people firefighting, let's say, like for a big fire, let's say 100 firefighters were there. Small fire, let's say there were 20 firefighters. Medium fire, there were 50 firefighters. Now, let's call this as one as X, one as Y. Let's say this is X, this is Y. Do you think one caused the other? No, right? One is the intensity of the fire, the other is the number of firefighters. One is not cause of the other. There is a correlation, yes. There is an association between both of them, yes. And it's looks like it's as the intensity goes up, the number of firefighters go up. It's positive correlation. However, one is not causing the other. So here there is no causation, just correlation. Make sense? Make sense? Okay. Now, the temperature is cold outside and ice cream sold. Some people might want ice cream even if it is cold. It doesn't reduce. Just because the temperature is outside, I can't say the ice cream sales reduced. So they are related. Basically, yes, they can be related. When the temperature goes down, let's say, meaning that depends on the values I give. So let's say number of ice cream sold, temperature outside, ice cream, number of ice cream sold. If I keep two quantities like this, let's say the temperature was 50 degrees, 40 degrees, 30 degrees, 20 degrees. Let's say this was 10, 9, 8, 7. I clearly see that there is a correlation. What is the correlation? When the temperature decreased, ice cream decreased. Yes, there is a correlation. Okay, they are related, they seem to be related, but one is not the cause of the other. Ice cream was not sold, might be so many other reasons. Some people like to have ice cream when it is cold, and temperature going down does not reduce the number of ice creams sold. So that says there is no causation, but there is correlation. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Okay. So that was one thing. That was the difference between correlation and causation. Now you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back, reshare our page and give you more questions. Let's see. When we do the questions, you'll yourself clearly understand what's going on. Let me go back. Already assigned homework, I said. So let's see that. Okay, you want to know correlation causation, right? How about this? Okay. How about this? Let's do a few problems you yourself will be able to say, okay? I'm going to give you two problems. How about this? Can you try number one, number two? Number one, number two, meaning number one, number two. Can you say whether there is causation or correlation? Read, slowly say.
Wait, Miss Priya, I get what correlation is again, but can you repeat about causation again? I just have a little confusion on that.
Causation means if one causes the other, that's all.
Oh,
Make sense?
yeah.
Can I help, guys? You can tell. I'll help you otherwise. Rushita, first is correct. Second, okay. Okay, everybody thinks there is causation in the second. No, actually. Okay. Kavin, I didn't get your answer. Lakshmita. Yes, Lakshmita, that's correct. See, both here, the number of fire trucks and the amount of damage. See, amount of damage, what is the cause of the amount of damage? Intensity of the fire. Fire can be big or small. If it is a big fire, the amount of damage is going to be more, right? There are other causes for it, right? Meaning, number of fire trucks, they are correlated. There is correlation, no causation here. Good job, Prisha. That's right. Second one, number of hours spent in gaming increases the number of hours. Number of hours spent in gaming increases. The number of hours spent sleeping decreases. So there is clearly a negative correlation. One quantity increases, one quantity decreases. There is a negative correlation. However, sleeping is reduced. Correct, but gaming can be a possible solution, but there are so many factors that can contribute to sleeping less. It's just not gaming, right? Gaming is might be one of the factors. So there is no direct causation. The less sleep is not the only reason for less sleep is not just gaming. There are so many other factors that contribute to less sleep. So there is only causation. There is no causation. Okay. And there is negative correlation. Any questions? Jay, did you get it? Good job, Samanvi, on the
Yeah.
first one. Arush, Little no. You understand why no little causation?
No.
Okay, what is that you didn't understand? See, okay, decreased sleep can be due to so many factors, right?
Mm-hmm.
Gaming might be one of the factors, correct? But then
Yeah.
gaming is not the only factor. The cause of sleep decrease is not just gaming. There might be more factors, right?
Mm-hmm.
So there might be other factors, meaning it's not a direct quantity that is resulting in reduction of sleep. You see? So there
Mm-hmm.
is no causation. We'll do more. I know it's a little confusing when we start, but slowly you'll get it. Let's see. Let me give you one more. I want one second, guys. I don't want this. Hold on. I don't want this assignment. Hold on. Give me 1 minute. Oh my God. Review 30 questions. Okay. Correlation, causation, causation. Yeah. This is what I need. Okay. Let's see this one. I really want to know. 1 second, guys. Somewhere I have to show you the relation, right? Hold on. Okay, how about this? 11 is what? Let me go ahead and give you 11. Okay, how about this? Okay, go ahead and do this one, guys. You can send the answer in chat. Try, guys. Go ahead. Okay, you can answer that and also tell me whether there is correlation and causation. You can send it to me in chat. You can tell me whether there is correlation, whether there is causation. Both you need to tell me. Come on, guys.
Miss Priya,
One's Yama.
so does it have to be correlation or causation, or could there be no correlation?
There can be, yes, both can be no as well.
Okay,
It's, yeah, go ahead. Why did you pick A, Avyuk? A and C are both not justified, right?
Yeah.
I'll wait for the others to answer.
Is mine wrong?
But why did you choose between A and D, A and C? That was my question.
Because shorter people can also be smart, right? Or we don't know because taller people could have cheat too, right?
Yeah, but C is also an answer, right? I feel like, okay, either A or C is okay, but I tend to
I
go with.
mean either answer also makes sense.
Wait, Miss Priya, wouldn't all of them just be like the answer? Because every like answer has a point and it could be like any of them. But look at like I don't understand like which one is like the right answer.
Right answer, Seema. Joseph gives a math test to all the students in a middle school and notices taller students have higher scores. So what does it say? So as the height goes up, right, automatically the score is going up. Is there any correlation here?
It shouldn't.
Is there any correlation or not in the data? They've clearly given, right, X and Y. Taller students, as the height goes up, the scores go up. So what is there? There is a relationship between the two quantities, right? What is the relation? It is
Positive correlation.
positive. There is positive correlation. Correlation is just based on the data given. Okay, now, is it a cause of the other? The score is because of the height, you all think?
No.
No. So there is no causation. Make sense, guys? No causation. I am okay with both. But all the tall students would not cheat, right? So I would say since taller students have had more math in school. So let's see one more. These are tricky, particularly deciding causation is tough at the start. Okay, it takes time to get used to this when it comes to causation. Causation, if that's the only cause of the other, then you say, hey, this has causation. How about this? How about this? Let's see. What do you think here? Let's discuss, guys. I feel like we should discuss this. Let's discuss this, guys. What do you all think? A, B, C, D. Shout out.
C.
I think it's
C.
Go
C.
ahead. You can have a different opinion. I accept, right? Somebody says C,
I
okay?
think it's
Prisha said
A.
C, okay? Hmm.
I
What
think
do you all think?
A.
A. Only, guys, one thing, remember, whenever there is causation, there is correlation.
Oh,
If you have causation, there is correlation. That is for sure. Okay, I forgot to tell that.
then
But if you think it's caused due to that, then there is correlation. Okay, by default, there will be correlation whenever you see causation. But whenever you see correlation, you cannot say that there is causation. Kavin, do you still think A is the answer?
oh
Lakshmita, you
no,
think
my
A
bad.
is the answer? Huh?
I put the wrong answer. My bad.
Okay, no problem. Go ahead. Meaning, shout out, guys. Don't feel shy. Akshita, what do you think, ma?
C.
I think it's C. See, global warming. See, when we burn more fossil fuels, yes, global warming is a problem due to burning fossil fuels, yes. So one causes the other. Definitely, when there is causation, by default there is correlation. Answer is C. Make sense? Dhruv, am I clear?
Yeah.
It's hard to Okay, guys, I really want to go ahead and show you how to just plot inequalities. I won't take much of time, but I'll give you an intro so that we are not blocked the next week you come. Okay, we can finish up and keep moving to the next one. Okay, how about this? Suppose if you're given the line like this, 4x plus 3y equal to 64, or x plus y equal to 19. X plus y will be equal to 3 if you're given, right, less than or equal to 3. How will you plot the line? How will you plot the line? Plot the line in a,
You would have to change it to
yeah,
slope.
change to slope intercept form. You
Mm-hmm.
have to change it to slope intercept form.
So it'd be is y is less than
Y is less than or equal to 3 minus x. So what happens here?
then I would plot the intercept first.
Yeah,
And
I would
then
plot the intercept too. I'll put x equal to 0. So y will be equal to what?
3.
3. Y equal to 0 if you put x will
Um
be equal to minus x will be equal. If you put x equal to 0, x equal to 0, y will be equal to 3, correct? Put y equal to 0, x will be equal to 3, correct? So there are 2 points I am plotting. So now guys, since you have less than or equal to, right, my line will be thick and it will connect. Suppose if I have this inequality like this, okay, when I plot it, right, you know what? There is no equal to sign. So the points on the line do not fit the inequality. So I'll draw a dashed line. Do you see the difference? There is no equal, there is an equal to sign here. So a thick line is drawn. That means the points on the line, right, all obey the inequality. Any points, see this 3 comma 0. When I substitute 3 comma 0 in here, let's say 3 comma 0, right? If I substitute 3, right, 3 minus 3 is 0. This side is already 0. 0 is less than or equal to 0. So the points on the line obey the inequality. Okay, now how do you, which y is less than or equal to means look at the y-axis. Look at the y-axis. This is our line. 3 minus x is our line. So it is asking us to shade all y-axis values. Which part of the y-axis is less than or equal to our line? So it is asking us to shade this. Any point in the shaded region is a solution to the inequality. Any point on the line as well is a solution to this inequality because you have equal to sign here. The same here, I will do this. See the y-axis only. This is the trick. See the y-axis. All y values below the line, less than the line. So I plotted this. For this one, you cannot say 3 comma 0 or 0 comma 3 is a solution because it is on the line. If it is on the line, it's not equal to at all. It's only less than. So all points, any point that is in this region is a solution to the inequality. Make sense, guys? To an extent, does it make sense? I'm not going to give homework on this. Only causation correlation.
It makes sense, yeah.
Jay, did you get a little bit of this inequality, line inequality? Okay. So suppose if I have y is greater than or equal to 3 minus x, how will we plot it? 3 comma 0, 0 comma 3, 0 comma 3, 3 comma 0 comma 3, 3 comma 0. So which part of the, should it be a thick line? Yes, it has to be a thick line. But which part of the graph I should shade? See the y value. All y values, what does it say? All y values?
Greater than?
Greater than. So above the line. Got it, guys? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll stop here. Okay. But you know what? Safe travels to you all. Next week we don't have class. Please do the homework. It's already posted. Definitely come back re-energized. Okay. If there's anything, let me know. If you want to discuss something, please hold on, hang on here. Otherwise, safe travels to you all. Math free week. Enjoy that and come back.
Thank you. Bye.
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 Bye, guys.
I wanted to talk about something on like the questions we did